What's up everybody, Andrew here with the Medellin Living Channel. Today we have the deal of the day. If you can find a better deal, make sure to comment and put a link to the property because I bet you won't find a better deal than this anywhere on the internet. Let's go. All right. Oh wow, a lot of natural light here. We've got the living area slash dining area here. Remember, this is 147 square meters. The asking price is 590 million Colombian pesos, which is about 150,000 US dollars, which brings the price per square meter at 4 million per square meter. Let's check out the kitchen over here. This is the kitchen area and also laundry area. This has enough space to have a stackable washer and dryer if you wanted to. I don't see an oven, so you'd probably want to put one in either here or here, and also maybe a dishwasher. Fridge over here. Let's walk over to the rooms. Well, first of all, you have the first full bath. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Both bathrooms are full bathrooms. Look up there, there's like a little storage area as well, which is pretty cool. I love the high ceilings. The wood ceilings look amazing. Makes it look a lot more spacious than just 147 square meters, which is about 1,500 square feet. So it's not a small apartment. Here's the first bedroom here. It's got a twin bed. You could probably easily fit a queen size bed here, but I think the twin makes it all right. But for Airbnb, a lot of people like the queen bed, so I've realized through experience. We'll go to this one first. This is the other one. A smaller bed here, it's a single. It's got its own desk here. You probably could take this out and make it more spacious, decorate it the way you want to. And remember, this one is legally allowed to do daily rentals. So and he has it on Airbnb right now. And he says it does really well. The reason why he's selling it is because he's got another business opportunity and he needs the cash for that. This is the master bedroom, desk, twin bed here, and the full bath. That is a pretty big bathroom actually. All right, let's head over here because I want to show you my favorite part of the apartment, which is over here. Look at this terrace, man. This is amazing. I love this. I'm gonna be honest with you. I might make an offer on this myself because this is such an amazing property, not only because you could do the daily rentals, it's a it's a 5th floor walk up, no elevator, which is obviously a downside, but all of my apartments that I've bought are in similar buildings just like this. The HOA is like negligible. I think it's like 60 bucks a month or something like that because it's only, you know, there's 1 apartment per floor, so that means there's only 5 apartments here. No amenities, no parking structure, it's only street parking, but we're a 5-minute walk from Parque de Envigado, and we're also about a 5-minute walk from La Buena Mesa. If you know Envigado, those are the hot spots in Envigado. You could even walk to the Viva Envigado Mall, which is right over there. It's about a 15-20 minute walk. If I owned this myself, I'd put a jacuzzi right here. The stairs, this is the stairwell over here, so you can't get rid of this, but you could put a jacuzzi up here if you wanted to. Maybe put plants and stuff to give you more privacy over here. And then the rest of the terrace over here. This pillar you can't take down, I think, because it's structural. But you can do a lot with this. You can make it look amazing, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think. Remember, 590 million Colombian pesos, which is about 150,000 US dollars. Price per square meter is only 4 million. If you can find a better deal than this with something similar to this, make sure to put the link to it in the comments below. Also, if you want to take a look at this one or want to find something similar, all you got to do is click the link in the description below, fill out the form, and somebody on the team will get back to you as soon as possible. Now I'm going to show you the drone shots of the area.